All viewers and dear students, today we have a new super trick in the conic section for the parabola equation. So the parabola equation, we have taken some different parabola equations. We are finding here the parabola equation vertex, how we calculate vertex by trick, and the second one is latus rectum, and third is focus. We are using here trick. Look here, according to the general formula, we know that this type of parabola y square is equal to plus minus 4a, or we can x, and x square is equal to plus minus 4ay. So these two types of parabola, positive or negative, along x-axis, along y-axis, or we use this in the shift form, we can write y minus k whole square is equal to 4 plus minus a, 4x minus h. K and h are the units, that is called shift tilde units. Similarly, if we are using x minus h whole square plus minus 4a y minus k, these are the shifted parabola. We are using these tricks here. Look here, according to equation r, x minus 2 whole square, it means that here x square is belong this condition. So here vertex is equal to, vertex is h over k, but here if we are compare here, h is equal to, here h is equal to 2, h is equal to 2, and y is equal to k, but here is plus, we use here minus, so vertex is minus. Also the second method we are using in this form y. So if we are using for the latus rectum, if we are finding latus rectum, as we know that latus rectum of this equation, if we are finding latus rectum, we know that 4a absolute, so that will be equal to here 8. It means that here 4a is equal to 8, a is 4a is equal to 8, we can write 4 is equal to 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Similarly, if we are finding focus, if we are finding focus here along x-axis parabola, so here we are using h plus a and k, h plus focus, h plus h, already we have found h is equal to 2 plus a, 2 plus 2, and k value is minus 1. So the result is equal to f2, 4 and minus 1, 4 and minus 1. Y square minus 4y. So the coefficient here, the coefficient of y square. If y square is given, so we take the coefficient of x. So that will be latus rectum. Directly we are finding latus rectum 4a absolute is equal to minus 8. Means that here 4a is equal to minus 8 and a is equal to minus 2. So the value of is equal to minus 2. And vertex, if we are finding, so we will differentiate with respect to x. That is, differentiate with respect to y here, y square here. Different 2y minus 4, and other term are treating as constant values. Constant value, the derivative of constant value is equal to 0. So y square is given, so we differentiate with respect to y. If the equation is given x square, so we differentiate with respect to x. The other value of y is constant considered. So here that will be 0, and 2y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 divided by 2. So we get here 2. Now this result we put y values in the above equation in the place of y square. So 2 square minus 4 into 2 minus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we calculate this result, 4 minus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. So 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4 8, and this 8 are cancelled, so minus 8x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So the vertex is 0 and 0, 0 and 2, 0 and 2. So vertex we have finding, and this type of equation we will differentiate with respect to y here. If y square is given, if x square is given, so we will differentiate with respect to x. The other values are constant consider. So look here in this equation, if this equation we have latus rectum and focus is required. Focus, if we are finding focus y square is given, so we take the value of y here. Y is consider here y, and x value will be 0, because here 0, and y value, we take the y value will be changed. Y square will be x square is given, so y will be changed. If y square is given, x value will be changed. Here it will be 2. Now the third equation, so latus rectum, if we are finding h is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1, so vertex we find, and we are finding here latus rectum. Vertex we are finding, vertex we already find, and latus rectum is equal to 4a, absolute is equal to 64 divided by 3. So 4a is equal to 64 divided by 3, and dividing both sides by 4, we get here a is equal to 16 divided by 3. The a value is equal to 16 divided by 3. So focus is required, focus. So the parabola is along y-axis. So here we change the value of here h and k plus value of a. So here we substitute h is equal to, we have find h is equal to 5, and k already we have 1 plus a is 16 divided by 3. So we take the LCM of this equation. F5 16, we have 3 19 divided by 3, so that will be focus. Similarly, we have, if we find the focus of this one, vertex we are finding here, so the result will be minus 7 and here 3. So here the value of h and k values. As we know that 4a is equal to 64, dividing both sides by 4, this will be cancelled, we get here 16, a is equal to 16. Now we are finding latus rectum, we have find focus, we are required focus. What is the result of focus? If we are finding focus is along x-axis, we can write h plus a and k. So if we substitute the result here, if h is equal to, what is the result? H is equal to minus 7 plus 16, and k value is 3. So focus will be here 9 and 3. We find here latus rectum 4a, absolute is equal to the value of, we take here minus 8. We take the coefficient of y. So here the parabola is x square, form x square is, that is compare with this form. So latus rectum is 4a is equal to minus a, 4a is equal to minus 8, and dividing both sides by 4, so we get here minus 2, a value is 2. Now vertex is required, and vertex, if we are finding vertex and this type of equation, we differentiate with respect to here x. So the parabola is in the x square form, so we are differentiating. So with respect to, if we are finding vertex, differentiate with respect to x, 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So the result is 2x is equal to 4, dividing both sides by 2. So this will be cancelled, 2, x is equal to 2. Now we substitute this result in the equation, we will get here the value of y, x square, if we put the value of x is equal to 2, 2 square minus 4 into 2 minus 8y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we simplify this result, so we will get here if we simplify here 4 minus 8 minus 8y minus 4 is equal to 0. So 4 minus 4 are cancelled, minus 8y is equal to 8 and y is equal to minus 1. 8 divided by 8, so minus 1. So here vertex we get here x value is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Now focus is required. Focus, if we find the value of focus value, we will change the the value of y. Y value is here minus 1 minus a. So minus 1 minus a is equal to minus 2, and the value of h is equal to here minus 3. Now just in the from the focus we will get this answer. So focus 2 and this will be equal to minus 1 plus 2, we will get plus 1. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. These are the shortcut trick we are using. Thanks once again for watching.